this is fantastic, this plantation drive that's happening here right now. I'd like to say 2 or 3 things. For one, there is a plantation drive happening here. There's a lot of deforestation happening in Kashmir. We are not going to get into the reason of why deforestation is happening right now, but we are going to talk about why we need to plant more trees. 300,000 trees have been planted here. We need to plant more trees. What is fantastic here is that the survival rate of the plantation of trees is 90%. तो प्लान करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप प्लांट कीजिए. I'd like this to reach out to all the youngsters. I'd like to tell all the people of India, please come to Kashmir. Let's promote tourism in Kashmir. This is heaven on earth, like they say. It is a beautiful place, and since I've come here, keep the political tensions aside. I'd like to speak about the people of Kashmir, and I'd like to say the people of Kashmir are very beautiful people. They're very nice people. You must promote tourism here. You must come here, and everybody must visit these places because these are lovely places. I'm here right now in Gulmarg. बहुत ही प्यारी जगह है. It's absolutely fantastic. Instead of concentrating on the politics in Kashmir, for once we must concentrate on the beauty in Kashmir. We must promote the culture of Kashmir, and I think it's a responsibility of our film industry to make sure we show Kashmir in a very positive light. And I'm sure that in the future, starting with me, I'm also a producer. I've produced films in the past. We will make sure that Kashmir is shown in a positive light. At least that's my responsibility.